Hey everybody, Travis Holzem with Food Forest Abundance, Minnesota, coming to you from Bloomington, Minnesota, and we are just finishing up the day today, and I'll just give you a rundown of what we got accomplished today. Alright, I'm going to turn you around and take you a little walkthrough. Alright, I finished the garden beds with the blueberries. Got that mulched. 4 blueberry bushes. We got service berries, we have pear trees, we got cherry trees, and we got about a little over halfway today. And another little garden bed here with raspberries. So this one has raspberries. There's honeyberries, another honeyberry over here. We got service berries, peaches, cherries, strawberries. We got some milkweed, some anise hyssop, however you say that. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. We got some echinacea, a couple of different types of echinacea, and yeah, so tomorrow I have these need to go in, and all those need to go in here. These 4 strawberries, and those are black-eyed Susans that are going to be right in this area here. Or no, that's going to be asparagus, purple asparagus, that line right in between the tree and the service berries. There's going to be all asparagus, and then we're going to do the black-eyed Susans, strawberries in the back. And these are asters, blue asters, I think, and they're going to go right here in the front. And those ones over there are going to be spread out in front of these trees. And then I'm going to be seeding it with clover. And tomorrow we're going to mulch all this. I'm going to finish putting the soil down and get it all mulched. And it will be finished hopefully tomorrow. And then I'm building a 3-bin compost, 3-compartment compost bin. There we go. All right, here you go. And but that's that. And we will be seeding this side lawn out here. Is going to be a bee lawn. So we're going to seed this whole area right here with wildflowers, native wildflowers, and a bee lawn. It's all going to be bee friendly. And then, yeah, that'll be done tomorrow. But that's it for me today, folks. Grow food, not lawns. And if you want your yard designed into the Garden of Eden, give me a call or email Travis@foodforestabundance.com, or visit my website foodforestabundancemn.com, and let's get your yard designed and ready to go install in the spring. Have an amazing day, my friends. Talk to you later.